This is a 03 Mini Cooper door lock cylinder. First thing you do is you take the tailpiece out, roll pin out right here. This piece is removed from here. You have to push down on it pretty hard to get it to unclip, or push up on it pretty hard to get it to unclip. And then you take this clip out right here that holds it all together. Alright. Cam with the return spring comes off, slides out through the front. Tailpiece cam for the ignition. Spring. And then the cam, the housing. Okay? Which this is the proper way to take it apart. I'm going to leave it all back together until I'm going to leave all of this apart, but I'm going to leave this here and in. And then we'll go ahead and put that in. Just set that back on there for now. Okay. And that's how it takes apart.